This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your TV has a microphone or a voice remote and is signed into the manufacturer account. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Voice search needs internet to interpret queries. Once connected, open Settings, locate voice or assistant options, and enable the assistant. This registers the device with the cloud. Pair the remote if needed via Bluetooth so the mic transmits. Doing this now prevents interruptions later and lets you move directly to testing voice input. Next, calibrate and refine recognition so the assistant understands you. If the TV offers voice training, follow the prompts to speak sample phrases. Calibration reduces errors from room acoustics and accents. Practice key commands like search for comedies, open YouTube, or play Season 2, Episode 3. Try natural, complete sentences rather than single words because the assistant uses context to improve results. Make sure to test at typical listening distances and background noise levels so performance reflects real use. Finally, expand capabilities by linking streaming services and smart home devices in the TV's assistant settings so you can ask for shows and control lights. If voice responses lag or fail, check for firmware and app updates because newer models improve recognition and privacy handling. When problems persist, reset microphone permissions, repair the remote, or restart the TV. These steps clear temporary errors. One troubleshooting tip. If accuracy drops suddenly, test with another device to isolate whether it's the network, the TV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.